Hi, this is Mamta. I've enrolled my daughter Anisha to NumberNagar 3 months back. Initially, she was not able to recognize alphabets or pronounce them. Now, in a short span of 3 months, I've seen a drastic improvement in her progress. Now she's able to recognize alphabets, she's able to read words also. So thanks a lot, NumberNagar. They have an amazing preschool kit. It is really brilliant, and I really appreciate the format applied for building this toolkit. It is very attractive. It is designed in such a manner that kids are very attractive towards the kit. The colors used, the strips, the pictures, everything is very attractive. So it makes our job also very easy. And thanks a lot. It is very simple and neatly designed. I've seen a lot of improvement in her. She's really improved a lot, I can say. And thanks a lot, Aruna. I must thank you so much for your patience with my daughter. Thank you so much once again. This is an amazing kit, a brilliant kit, and it's very nice. Thank you so much.